Today we'll be talking about SQL operators. Obviously, SQL has a lot of more operators, but today we'll be covering only in and not in operators. If you watched the previous videos, then by now you already know how to open any given table. For example, this code will help me to open products table. Whenever you open any given table, you notice that it has a lot of columns, and each column has a lot of values. You will have you will be facing situations where you don't want to see all the information inside any given table, but rather you want to see only certain rows, only certain values. Then in that case, how would you do it? The way you do it, first you open the table, and then you have to specify on what column you want to give a condition. For example, in this case, I want to give a condition on the column product ID, and what I want to see is only the product ID 1 and let's say 9. Then in that case, I would simply say where the product ID in 1, 9. When I execute this query, you will see that it is showing me only the product ID 1 and 9. Another scenario is, let's say, you open any given table. Let's say we open again products table, and when I execute this code, not all the columns contain integer. For example, you see here we have integer, but here we have strings. Then how would you do the same thing when you give it a condition on the string? It is very simple. All you have to do, just say, now in this case, I'm giving a condition on the product name column, and since the product name is a string, all I have to do, take the value that I'm looking inside single quotation. Let's say I'm looking only for this product, and I'm looking for this product. And in that case, all I have to do, simply just run it, and it will show me all the product names that I put on my condition, such as Ikura and Combo. Now, how we can use not in operator? It is very simple how to use not in operator. All you have to do, simply we can just say, now in this case, this code will show us that we want to see only the product ID 1 and 9. But if I put not in front in, then what it means that don't show me the product ID 1 and 9, meaning this and this, but show me all other products. If I execute this code, you will see that it is not showing us the product ID 1 and 9, but it is showing us all other product IDs. The same rule applies when you are putting a condition on the string. If I don't want to see these two product names, and if I want to see all other products, all I have to do, just add not in front of in, and I execute the code, and it will show me all other product names, but it will not show me these two products where I have inside the parenthesis. Guys, as I mentioned in the beginning, SQL has a lot more operators, but during this video, I wanted to cover only in and not in operators. We'll continue, guys, in the next videos, and we'll start covering more SQL operators. Thank you guys for watching.